Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to disable 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we're going to go into Settings. We're going to go down here. Open Accessibility. Motion, and here at the very bottom, there is a setting that is responsible for the refresh rate. That is how our phone works. If you have it enabled, to disable it, you remove this slider. And now your iPhone will work very smoothly, very well. And you were able to disable this setting. If you liked and helped this video, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.